Hi everyone, thank you for attending my unboxing. Today I am opening the Tomorrow by Together, the Star Chapter Sanctuary. This is the Lover version. There's also a Night version and a Savior version. Originally I wanted a different version, but this was the only one Target had that wasn't damaged. I used to order them online, but the shipping is just not very good with Target, and often my boxes came damaged, so I came into the store and just grabbed what I could see. So this particular CD was released on November 8th, 2024. So let's go ahead and open it. Again, this is the Target exclusive version that comes with one extra photo card. And I love these new type of boxes that Hybe and Big Hit have been having for the artists. Kind of feels like a little present that you're opening. And as you can see, there's little notes from every one of them. Let me let you take a look at the whole box so you can see how cute it is. Looks great on the shelf too, by the way. So let's take a look. This is so fun, and yes, it absolutely looks like a little present that you're unboxing. Almost wish it was released on Valentine's Day because it seems a little timely for that, right? And what else have we got here? Okay, let's go for the photo cards first. So here is the Lover one, and I think this is a standard or the extra. I'm not quite sure. And here's the third card. So let me turn these around. And let's see, it looks like a little cassette tape. This playlist is for you. And I have it upside down. There we go. Looks like the track list along with the lyrics. Heaven, Over the Moon, Danger, Resist. And on the back, got the track listings, all 6 of them, along with the lyrics as well. And now I'm very curious about the other ones because this one's Lover themed, so the other ones must be very pretty as well. Here's a postcard. I'm yours, you're my lover. I guess this is supposed to look like a Polaroid, right? This is the CD. Also very fun. Love how decorative it is. And it's a little film strip. That is very cute as well. And, oh, of course we have stickers too. There's just so much stuff in here. It really feels like a little present when you unbox these CDs. And this is cute too, this little rubber band, cloth band that ties it all together. I'm gonna move this out of the way so I can lay this flat. So this feels like a little pamphlet, almost like something you get when you watch a musical or watch a show, a little program. So, but it's a photo book, and I guess you could probably take it out too if you wanted to frame it or do something with it, because the pictures aren't attached, or sorry, the pages aren't attached. So you could really pull it out and have them individually somewhere or framed. So it's kind of a fun, flexible way to have photos. Okay, let me be careful so I don't tear this. I love this idea, it's so creative. Whoever designed this definitely put so much work and heart into this. And the message from each one of them. Credits. Very cute. Love that. So further in the box, then we have a poster that matches the theme. So now I'm really curious about the other ones and kind of wish I could buy them but I try to limit myself to just one. So it'll have to be this one, and the rest I'll have to maybe check on YouTube to see what's inside. But this is very cute. I hope that you have a chance also to get a Target exclusive version of the CD to get your extra photo card. And I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and see you again.